Hey there, welcome to today's video. So imagine you're trying to set up an Authenticator app for your GitHub and other sites. You end up choosing the Professource app, but you wonder if it's the best choice. Is the web platform indifferent to which Authenticator app you use? How does this whole authentication process actually work? That's the problem we're diving into today. In the world of Authenticator apps, most of them operate using the same algorithm known as TOTP, as defined in IETF RFC 6238. This algorithm works offline, generating 6-digit codes based on a secret key and the current timestamp. This means you can import the same secret key into multiple apps, and they will produce identical codes as long as the timestamps line up. It's like a synchronized dance of security codes across different platforms. Fascinating, right? That's the solution behind the scenes of your trusted Authenticator app. Solution: most websites allow you to display the secret key in text format or scan a QR code for setup. This key is the backbone of the algorithm, producing those time-based codes for authentication. While there are exceptions to the rule with different algorithms out there, TOTP is the standard for online authentication. It's all about keeping your accounts secure and your mind at ease. Solution explained. In conclusion, next time you're setting up your Authenticator app, remember that most apps follow the TOTP algorithm. It's a secure and reliable method that keeps your accounts safe from prying eyes. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite cybersecurity joke. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next one.